Uh, After taking subscription in B10x, I came to know how to use AI in different aspects. I came to know how to use different websites by using AI. I came to know that how to use AI in different websites. I came to know the different names of the websites which supports AI. And until now, I learned uh, different website names which supports AI. How to know how to create a video using AI, how to create an image using AI, which shows a real type of image. Until now, I am very satisfied. I am very confident about that. I can be a I can gain some real time experience in regarding the prompt engineering profile. It will be useful for my career boost up also. Regarding my job also, I think it is very helpful. In further, I can demand for more package by keeping it in my profile in my resume, so that it will be a more added advantage. I'm looking forward for this. Until now, I'm very happy about the course Be10x. So I'm very confident that coming classes, I'll come to know more about prompt engineering, how it uses, how is it useful in work life, or else if you want to earn personally as a secondary income, how can we earn a secondary income using AI? So I'm really looking forward for this, and I'm very interested to know more from you. Whatever you are saying, I'm just noting it down, and I am very happy until now.